Hi, how are you doing today? I'm so glad you are here today. In this video, you are going to listen to a conversation between a couple and a Hertz's staff about how to find Hertz's branch and complete the car rental check-in process. Listen carefully and answer the following question. When will the couple's deposit be refunded?
Wow, this airport is huge!
It really is. There are people everywhere. I'm getting a little frustrated.
Don't worry, we'll find the car rental shuttle.
I don't even know where Hertz is.
Look over there.
Where?
See that blue sign?
Oh, yes.
It says rental car shuttle.
So we don't walk to Hertz?
No, the shuttle bus takes us there.
Oh, I see.
Let's follow the sign.
There are lots of signs.
Yes, but we only need to follow the rental car signs.
That makes sense.
See? The arrow points this way.
So we just keep walking?
Exactly.
I'm glad you're good at reading airport signs.
Airports can be confusing, but the signs help a lot.
Good afternoon. Welcome to Hertz.
How?
Hello. May I have your reservation number, please?
Sure, here you are.
Thank you. May I see your passports?
Of course.
Here you go. Thank you. What is your nationality?
We're Japanese.
Thank you. Who will be the main driver?
I will.
May I see your original driver's license and the international translation?
Certainly.
Thank you. Would you also like to add an additional driver?
Yes, please. I'd like to add my wife, Naomi.
That's free with your booking.
That's great.
May I see your driver's license too?
Here it is.
Thank you. May I have your credit card for the security deposit?
Sure.
Thank you. Let me confirm your reservation. Your rental is from May 5th until May 23rd.
That's correct.
You reserved a Jeep Wrangler.
Yes.
It is automatic and four-wheel drive.
Perfect.
Your booking includes full insurance.
Great.
It also includes unlimited miles and a full tank of gas.
Excellent.
We also offer tire and windshield protection.
What does that cover?
If a tire or the windshield is damaged, this insurance helps pay for the repair or replacement.
How much is it?
It's $20 a day.
No, thank you.
We also have a prepaid fuel service.
What's that?
You pay for a full tank now, then you can return the car without filling it up.
We'll refill the tank ourselves.
No problem. Which color would you like?
What colors do you have?
White, black, blue, red, and gray.
I like the black one.
Black, please.
Certainly.
How do we return the car?
Just drive to any Hertz return area at the airport. Follow the signs for rental car return.
That's easy. When will our deposit be refunded?
We release the deposit after the vehicle is returned. Normally, it appears back on your credit card within about 30 days.
Okay.
As long as there is no damage, unpaid toll, parking fee, or traffic fine, you'll receive the full deposit back.
Sounds good.
Your vehicle is ready.
Thank you very much.
You're welcome. Please follow me to the parking lot.
Have you found the answer? Let me mention the question once more time. When will the couple's deposit be refunded? Leave your answer in the comments section. Keep practicing and keep confident. See you in the next video.